Here question what is your construct 5 by 3 of not any triangle. 5 by 3 of any triangle. 5 by 3 of any triangle. First what should you do? What should you do? What should you do? Tell me. First draw any triangle. Small triangle right. Small triangle. Then here to here. Itu compass make a marks and draw this triangle. Then draw this A, put A, B, C. Next write down. How many? What is this? Acute X. Acute X. Acute X. It is acute angle. This is. How many? Who should take now? The more the larger number should be taken either denominator or numerator. Here numerator. How many parts? 5. 1, 2, equal ratio. 3, 4, 5. Next A line kalpali. Now what line should be? Here you have joined B and A3. Here third one, denominator line should be joined to the B. B. Now write down A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. In that way write. Next to extend this triangle, because the numerator is more, that's why the triangle should be come out. Come out means it should be extend outside. Extend outside. Extend outside. This also extend. This line also extend. AC also extend more. AC also extend more. Then tell me what is the ratio next? 5. This is A5. What line should be merged? Hey, matladu. Listen to A5 line to make to the A5 line to the parallel to the this line. Parallel to the that line. Parallel to the that line. Next to this line should make to this line. Parallel to this line. What is this? Here you should make a exact parallel. Either by set squares or compass. I have already told you. This is parallel to this is parallel to this is. What is the size? This is the triangle. Big triangle is this is 5. This is big triangle. Okay na? This is big triangle. Total 5. This is inside the 3 sides. It is inside triangle is 3. Outside is 5th one. You should learn it. In that way draw it. This is what is this construction? Here fraction is in. Fraction is in. Fraction is in improper. Fraction is in improper. You should take the largest number above 5. Here above number below denominator is 3 in the previous problem. You should do it. Stop it. Stop.